When you get elected naman, that is why, hindi ba sa US they say, I will talk to my congressman. I will talk to my... So, because meron silang dinadalang agenda. But when you get to Congress, think national. For instance, if you're a farmer, don't think about fertilizers for your district. Think of a national issue, national irrigation bill.
Yeah.
Libreng irigasyon. Our farmers pay for water.
That's right, that's right.
Di ba? When we have typhoons every day. And yet, we pay for irrigation. Some areas don't have irrigation. So act local, but think national.
Ganun.
Okay?
Act local, but think national. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa
Because
inyo.
when you think national, it will benefit not only your district,
Right,
di ba?
right. Oo.
Politica all the way. Politica all the way. Politica all the way.
I would like to use Quezon City as an example. No?
Okay.
As a good example of good governance. Mayor Joy Belmonte. Okay, Mayor Joy Belmonte, first, she was the first one to pass the Bawal Bastos Law. She was the first one to make it an ordinance in Quezon City.
Yan yung walang catcalling. Yun ba yun?
Oh, yeah, mga catcalling, yung mga,
Oh,
yung mga, hoy, bakla ka, umalis ka dyan. O mga ganyan. That's Bawal Bastos, no? And my point in pointing her out is, there are formal structures, no? So you have the barangay, you have the, etc., etc. But gumawa siya ng People's Council. She has a party list grouping in terms of a People's Council that oversees. For instance, yung women's group niya, part of so in her People's Council, meron siyang women, youth, PWD, whatever, laborers and all that. And sila yung bringing the agenda to their barangays.
Oh, okay.
It works. It's a system.
So it's a focus group, no?
It's a focus group.
Oo.
So yung barangay mo, kunyari you're in this barangay, no? Let's say Nayong Kanluran barangay. Kasi corruption starts at the barangay level.
Yes.
Corruption starts at kabataang barangay. Hindi ba? Yung kabataang barangay na yan, you can elect a kabataang barangay na yan. Kasi not even old enough to get married. Ang marrying age natin is 18 years old.
Right,
Tapos, pwede kang mag-elect ng kabataang barangay. Sinong nagde-decide? Di yung nanay at tatay niya. No? So, at a very young age, corrupt na yung batang yan. Ano? And they carry their own agenda in the barangay. So, as a watchdog group, yung People's Council will watch. I think, I'm not exactly sure how it works, but when I guested her, I used to have a show. When I guested her, and she was telling me about this concept, I said, it's a good, it's a good model.
Right.
And the good thing, I mean, I'm very cynical, but I'm also very helpful. And there's now this group of mayors for good governance, and I think they're following that. So at the level of the mayors level, they're good mayors naman.
Even the way you said it, they're good mayors naman. Like my mayor, shout out there naman to Mayor June Inares. No? I come from Antipolo. So he's a listening mayor, not just a hearing mayor, but a listening one. No?
Oh,
Yeah, I
that's
think
good.
that's what's important. It all boils down to just yung sincerity and heart. No? But of course, you have to have some degree of intellect to boot. Pero kailangan din natin yung heart talaga importante rin. No? Katulad ng sinabi mo, attorney, yun, it's a genuine concern for people.
Correct.
Na di ba, ganun focus group.
That is so correct. So we changed, we have structural reform. Then you have values formation. Go back to the schools. And the other thing is, we also need a sense of history.
Yes.
Wala tayong
I
sense of
agree.
history.
Right.
Alam natin ang hero ng ibang bansa. Hindi natin alam ang mga heroes natin, ano? Unless yung hero na yan may pelikula, no? Like sino ba yun? Si Luna, di ba?
Yeah. Antonio Luna.
Yes. Unless may pelikula, hindi mo alam na, hero pala to, and all that. Because, sadly, even in my university, UP, tinanggal ang history, ginawang elective. Di ba?
Ganun na ba ang sa UP?
It's an elective. Why? It should be. And yet, when I was in the university, I had 12 units of Spanish.
We had 4 naman,
You had
UST.
Required. So I said, why are we learning Spanish? Di ba? When ginawa niyang ngayon, I hope they've changed that. So, values formation in schools.
Values formation in schools.
Because your leaders of today were students in elementary, in high school, in college, I mean, young. And then, there also is value in not only mental, spiritual, emotional, but in sports.
Oh, yeah.
Because sports is good.
Right.
Sports will teach you how social interaction is important, how you value preparation, hard work, discipline, di ba? Sports is also important. We cannot be in that. No? There are some kids who don't kagaya ng curtains nyo dito.
Mhm.
Pag sarado yung mga curtains mo, you have no concept of night or day.
That's right.
You have curtains, they're in their rooms.
Mhm.
The curtains are blackened out, they're in their computer, hindi ba?
Mhm.
What do they do? In some instances, they don't even eat. So
Ay,
they-
nako.
Sometimes
I know,
you find
I know,
them,
oo.
hindi lang malnourished, na yung bata,
Mhm.
may sakit na.
Mhm. Mhm.
You know, saan ang nanay doon, di ba?
Oo, that's true.
Saan ang eskwelahan doon?
Oo.
If that kid has been absent for days,
Right.
why didn't the teacher call the parents and
Right.
say your kid is all that? So, it is structural, it is values formation, it is family, it's a lot of things.
It's happening now. Like yung sinabi mo na yan, attorney, like yung social media, it has its perks, it has its uses, no? Pero parang na-overcome siya or nagkakaroon siya ng, instead of getting the positive side of it, nagkakaroon pa ng negative side for those who are unable to use it responsibly. Di
Not
ba?
only that, it has been a substitute
Mhm.
for communicating,
Mhm.
correct? So,
That's right.
Anjo, I'm sure you have a family, you
Yes,
have kids,
yes.
okay. You go to a restaurant, let's say a Chinese restaurant, one whole table na ganyan. Pagdating nilang ganyan, upo, kasama ni Yaya yung bata. What is the first thing they do when they sit down? They take out their
They
phones.
take out their phones, correct.
Instead of being an occasion for getting together and talking to each other,
Mm.
they're in their phones,
That's
looking
right.
at their phones, from father to mother to kids and all
Mhm.
that. Even the Yaya will
Mm.
give an iPad to the little boy or girl
Just to shut them out. Or,
para hindi siya mahirapan
di maingay.
maghabol doon,
That's true,
di ba?
that's true. Oo.
So, that is your
Mm.
family unit now.
Yeah. Are you like that with your sons and your
Bawal.
grandkids? Bawal. Ay, pareho tayo.
In my table, it's
Mm.
bawal in my table.
Ako rin. I always tell them na, sa amin, attorney, meron kaming the great hour of mercy, yung 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh, yung 3 to 5 na yan. Especially pag walang no phones, down yan, wala. Tapos Sundays, Saturday evening pa lang, wala ng phone. Yan.
Oh, that's so
Hanggang Sunday.
nice.
Wala,
That's nice.
wala yan. Ganon.
Me naman, growing up kasi, with my parents, and both my mom and my dad, they're really my moral compass. No?
Mhm.
And people are saying, bakit ang tapang-tapang mo? Wala kang, you go around, di ka ba natatakot? Number 1 ka na sa hit list ng mga trolls na yan. You know, my father used to say, and before he was Supreme Court, COMELEC yan.
Yeah.
So maraming kaawayan, yung mga natatalong kandidato. And he would say, you know, if you have a bodyguard, and they want to get you, they'll get your bodyguard first.
Yeah.
Your bodyguard, may pamilya
Right,
yung
that's right.
bodyguard mo.
That's
di
right,
ba?
that's
So,
right.
so I go around, I have no bodyguard. People, I also don't have a lalay, no?
Buti you have all the, kaya nga you have this big, enormous patience for everything, no? Nakakatuwa every time. And I watch you and just smiling and this. Okay. Parang okay lang, chill lang, eh, di ba?
Minsan, gagano, dinadasal ka na lang, Lord, kunin niyo na to. Hawa na kayo, kunin niyo na po. Joking.
Pero,
Joking lang
how about you? Paano yung mga, naku, very, pa man din, pag ang anak mo, yung mga lalaki, lalo, alam ko kasi growing up kami,
bawal lang. Well, in the
Bawal ba?
dining table, bawal ang cellphone.
walang cellphone.
I also insist on bawal ang, what's this? Yung t-shirt, yung sando.
Sando.
Bawal ang sando. Bawal ang sando lang. You eat your sando, you respect
Wow,
your food.
we're like the same,
Bawal ang
mga
sando.
old school. Kaya
Yeah,
nga
it's very old school.
yeah,
And
ako
then
rin, that's how I
my
rear my
parents-
children.
My parents always said, always make it a point, Sunday is family day.
Mhm.
So when they're still around, we had Sunday lunch, the whole kabudel,
Mhm.
with my brothers and sisters and their families,
Mhm.
Sunday lunch. And dinner was my time naman. So to this day, my kids, and they're all grown up
Mhm.
already, respect that. So
That's
Sunday is always family day.
Ganyan din ako,
Ganyan?
Tony. Oh, exactly. Kasi that's how we were brought
See,
up
that's
also.
why I came to this show.